In this video, I'm going to show you how to put emojis on your Instagram pictures easily. Stay tuned to find out how.
Check this out. Get up, this like that. 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 Get up, this like.
You don't need any special equipment or any glowing lit up keyboard like this one here to put emojis on your Instagram pictures. Just open up your phone, click on the Instagram icon, find something cute to take a picture of like this little stuffed tiger here, and click on that little button right up there at the top of the picture, and the emoji screen will open up. You'll use your finger to scroll through. You can see lit and savage. Let's use savage for our first one here. We'll use our finger to slide that around on our picture. And we're not done yet. Don't close it up like this bird does on this cat here. We're going to scroll through. We're going to find some other cool emojis for our tiger picture here. The next one we're going to look for is under the smiley faces. Always like the one with the sunglasses on it. So we're going to put that one on there. We're going to move it around with our finger on our picture just like that. And let's go look for one more emoji. Let's look for, you can see all the ones of the people and the animals and the clouds. Let's do the sunshine one right there. We're going to click on the sunshine one, move it again around with our finger on top of the nose of the tiger, and there you have it. And now you know how to put cool emojis on top of your Instagram photos. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Who45. Thanks for watching.
Hey.